doing it. Danny Shepherd, what road do you live off of?
What? Take my battery out.
It's 6.
Is it?
Yeah.
That was loud.
It's not a picture.
Oh, what are you doing? Video?
YouTube.
Huh?
YouTube.
You YouTubing me?
I did her first.
You best recognize this is Kansas City at its realest. Get it, taste it, savor it. Vanilla ice cream, I knew it was your favorite.
Hey, she didn't text it. It went to your voicemail.
My phone ain't ringing, I can't call. John's trying to call me. It's going straight to voicemail.
I'm texting.
It shouldn't do. It should bump through.